it's me, Cezanne, and I just want to say, oh my gosh! My Bobbi Brown Crush Lip Color is now in stores, and I can't believe it's here. Today's tutorial is all about celebrating Cezanne Nude, the lip color that I recently launched with Bobbi Brown. This is a lip shade that's perfect for crushing it wherever you go. Whether you're going on a date, home with the baby, or walking into a meeting, this tutorial is all about celebrating the launch with this everyday nude-tastic look. Are you guys ready? Let's crush this. We really gotta start with the skin if we want this look to really pop. To do that, I'm actually gonna be using for my face Bobbi Brown's Vitamin Enrich Moisturizer. It's a little bit more rich than, say, my everyday moisturizer, but for a tutorial like this, like I said, I wanna look extra glowy. So I'm going to just apply that to the main corners of my face and just blend it in, as well as apply a little bit to my neck area. So my skin already just looks super hydrated and glowy. I always wash my face and make sure I moisturize before a tutorial. We are going to move on. We gotta color correct because I know that the first thing you were looking at after that beautiful intro was my under eyes. They're a little baggy, they're a little tired, and they're a little blue and red and a little bit of orange. We've got a rainbow of colors going on. So to correct, I'm going to use Bobbi Brown's Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Beige. Last Fashion Week was when I first started working with Bobbi Brown, which was like over a year ago. I was like 20 weeks pregnant. I was there actually for their Crushed Lip color campaign. It was sort of like the exciting launch. I know I took you guys along for the journey and I showed you guys all the different colors that they had. Then this opportunity came about. Basically launched my own shade with them and I thought, what? It's like a girl's dream come true. It took me back to my 7th grade talent show when I was singing Kelly Clarkson, A Moment Like This, A Moment Like This. I was about to really sing that song. You guys can look up the rest of the lyrics. I don't want YouTube to turn my video down for singing. The foundation I'm using is one of my current favorites, like favorites, also from Bobbi Brown, and it's the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation that has SPF 15 in it. I am horrible when it comes to wearing SPF. Don't tell my mom I said that. I absolutely love this foundation because it has SPF in it, but also because it's still gonna like sit on my skin lightly and it's gonna really help me achieve that glow. So I just want you guys to come super close and just kind of see. I'm just applying a little bit to the base of my wrist and just applying it with a flat foundation brush, and then we'll go back in and blend it in. But look at how quick it's just covering up all of these like hot mess ratchet areas. Gonna go over it again just to make sure I blended everything nice and evenly. For my concealer, I decided to use that same foundation, but in a different shade. I went several shades lighter, and this is the same foundation, that weightless foundation with SPF 15, except this is the shade Warm Beige 3.5. It can double up as a concealer too, why not? Okay, so moving on to the eyebrows now, I'm using this powder-based eyebrow palette. It's in the shade Saddle Mahogany, and it comes with these cute little tweezers. Like, man, these were made for teeny. My eyebrows lately, they need some help. So I'm just gonna brush them. You just really wanna target the areas that need to be filled in. I'm just gonna shut up now and focus. Because we're gonna be rocking that Cezanne Nude lip color, I knew that it was perfect for all my girls out there that have thick brows. Now, if you don't have thick brows, Cezanne Nude, it's good for you too. But for any of my girls out there that have thick brows, sometimes when I wear bold, like bright red or pink lip colors, I always just feel like it can be too much. There's something about a nude lip and bold brows that screams, ooh, yes, girl. Right? I always feel so much better when my brows are on fleek. So I'm going to give myself a little faux glow using Bobbi Brown's Moon Glow. Love this shade. It is perfect for girls with my skin tone. I really love it. So I'm just gonna highlight those key areas on my face, including my cheekbones. I've pretty much applied the glow to my face. And you can apply some of that product to a brush, and then why not make the skin glow as well? A glowy shoulder, I don't know, like I feel like that's sexier than like cleavage. What a difference a little glow can make. That was my own version of a live boomerang. Something else to really enhance the glow is this Nude Finish Illuminating Powder. It is pretty awesome, and Bobbi Brown, I love that it's nude. And just kind of sweep it all over my face. It's just gonna give the skin a little bit more of a glow. I like that it has all these different pods, and you just kind of run your brush all across it to get an instant illuminating look. Moving on to contour. We are gonna contour using Bobbi Brown's matte bronzer. This is in the shade Natural One. It's definitely a few shades darker, which is great because I, again, really want the cheekbones to pop for this look. Just follow the lines of your natural face structure. Doesn't have to be completely perfect. You definitely want to target those areas, and then we'll go back over it and blend it in and make sure it looks nice and even and somewhat natural. So then we're gonna do the same thing, grabbing a smaller brush. So the nose, I always like to start right where my brows ended here. Bring it down, stop about halfway. Same thing for the other side. And just instead of here, we're gonna contour right here to give my nose that sleek, tiny appearance, you know? Instant nose job. That's what contouring does for you. You definitely, when you're contouring the cheeks, you wanna blend up instead of out, because then the line, you can make it look a little bit thicker than what you want. So just blend up to give your cheekbones more of a lifted look instead of a droopy look. And really take your time on that blend because you really want that skin to look like that I woke up like this look. So the Cezanne Nude lip color is really great because it really matches most blush shades. So it's almost like the perfect universal nude tone. And I thought this shade from Bobbi Brown would be perfect for the lip color. This is in Tawny 2, and this blush is a matte blush, no shimmer. I always like to just give my blush brush a little tap so that it's not too much product. And then I'm just going to swipe like it's an Insta story. Just swipe right, or is it left? Oh, it's swipe up. Well, we're not swiping up. You don't want to swipe up. It's gonna ruin the whole look. I'm gonna go with my classic nude brown toned eye. There's something about a brown, subtle, soft, smoky eye that just really complements this nude lip color. Using Bobbi Brown's beautiful Crystal Drama palette. Look at all of these really pretty shades. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the easiest smoky eye in the history of smoky eyes. We are gonna start out with this beautiful nude shade right here. Almost like your base. And you can go up a little bit, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna just bring it right here into this little crease as well and just blend out. Already this could be a great look with just a cat eye, call it a day. But we're gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna bring that down, Avi. It's just gonna make the eye appear larger and more defined. Once we add the darker brown shade, you don't want this to get lost in it, so we still want it to show as kind of like a shadow. So I want the eye to look natural, but at the same time, I still want to define it and make it pop. So to do that, I'm going to apply this darker brown shade that's in the palette, tap the end corners of my eye with a really focused bullet brush. I just really want to blend it in, you guys. Make sure it looks nice and even. You can even get like a clean brush that's more soft. I always like to round it out a little bit because I'm not really going for a cat eye look, so just round out the ends. Then if you want to grab a cleanup color, you can go back to that original nude shade and just clean up the harsh edges. Then to my inner corners, I'm gonna add this pretty pearl color. Any sort of pearl color you have works, just to make that pop right there. You just want to give it a little dab. Dab. I need to stick to my day job. Then with my ring finger, I'm just going to press it onto this bottom left corner here. And I'm just gonna give this area, just sort of mid-center of the eyelid, just a little pop. Just gives the eye an extra glowy shimmer. Now this is a makeup look I would wear every day. Just for fun, I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeliner, and by eyeliner, I mean just a little bit on top and kind of make it a little winged cat eye using my Bobbi Brown Carbon Black Long Wear Liquid Liner. Just come on close, let me tell you. Come closer. Don't be shy, my breath don't stain. Okay, so the trick with the cat eye is you always wanna start at the wing. Give it a quick flick. Just stay as close to that lash line as you can and just bring it all the way down. Gonna apply my eye-opening mascara, also from Bobbi Brown, duh. Just a very small amount because guess what, you guys? I am going to wear fake lashes today. Yes! My good friend, who's also a makeup artist, Lindsay, I don't know if you guys remember this or not, but she taught me how to put on fake lashes. Gonna apply my glue and just let it sit there for a sec. I want you guys to tell me how you're gonna rock the Cezanne Nude. Any recommendations you have for sort of styling this lip in several makeup looks, let me know. Seriously, suck at putting on lashes, but I think today's the day. Oh dang, I think I got them on. Today is a good day. And now to just finish off this look with the perfect nude lipstick. My crushed lip color in the Cezanne Nude shade. Is this real life? Like seriously, I can't believe this is happening. I am so excited to put this lip color on for you guys. I could cry, but I'm not gonna do that because you guys know it took me a while to put these lashes on. The color nude can come in a spectrum of shades, right? So when I was perfecting this color, I knew that I wanted to go for more of a pinky nude than like a nude nude. It is still a very light nude color. And these crushed lip colors are amazing. I don't know if you've tried any of the other ones from the Bobbi Brown line, but what I love about it is you can wear these lip colors literally 1 to 2 coats for that like just kissed look, you know? But if you add another coat, or 2, instantly you can intensify this look and just make it look more bold. So I absolutely love that it's a 2-in-1 practically, and it's amazing. And that's why I definitely wanted the shade to complement that. You can do it as an everyday look, whether you wear it stained or you wear it more bold and intensified. I just feel like this is the perfect nude shade for any skin tone. I mean, if you're olive skin tone like me, or maybe you're fair, or maybe you have a really dark, rich complexion, this is literally the perfect universal nude lip. And it still has a little something in it, so it's not like completely muted. This was my Bobbi Brown inspired makeup look, celebrating the Cezanne Nude lip shade, now available. Be sure to check out my description box below for more info. One last thing before I go, you guys, I just want to thank all of you, my incredible subscribers who truly make all of this possible. You know, it was a dream come true to get to collaborate with Bobbi Brown on my own crushed lip color, but I know that that would never have been possible if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you guys so much for supporting me, for encouraging me, for inspiring me, and for having fun with me here on my channel. I'm so excited to do more looks with this lip color and to see what else the future has in store for me. So let me know below what you guys want to see next on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed watching. Until next time, come over here so I can give you a big ol' smooch with the Cezanne Nude. Mwah. Mwah. Bye, guys.